Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul from Rubberneckers. And I've ordered from them a long time ago. I've got maybe like 4 stamps from them. And then my scrapbooking buddies and our little crew, we were talking about different stamps and stuff, and we all were sharing how much we like their stamps, particularly African American stamps, because you don't find them anywhere. And so, and they're red rubber. So red rubber, of course, stamps more detail. So we were talking about them, and so all of us ended up ordering some different stamps from there. So we all got a different collection, pretty much the same thing. But anyway, we all ordered stuff, and so I'm just letting my video up because work. But anyway, I just want to show you what I got. So I did order these, and I got carried away, but I love all the ones that I did get. So I'm going to share them with you. And yeah, so I was excited to get some mail stamps too, man. So excited. So I had to get something that was, you know, girly girl, butterfly shoe set. So both of these, you know, shoes, that's the size of them right there. It's 2, you can keep them on that one together if you want to cut them out, or you can cut it into 2 separate ones and stamp them separately. So that's totally up to you. So technically it's 2 stamps, but you can keep this together, or you can take one up and so that you can only stamp one at a time. That's totally up to you how you want to do that. But these are red rubber, and they come in these little pouches, which is nice. So you just pop them open, stick it back in there. You just take off this sticky sheet right there, but you got that cushion right there for you when you stamp. So I like their stamps. They have big diversity, but you can't find too many African American ones. But not all of them are just, these are African American. You can, some of these you can do diverse skin tones on it, and so that's what I liked about the ones I got as well. So this one is Laura. I thought she's cute. I liked her because of the glasses and the little the 2 little buns. I like that as well, so I thought that was really cute. Now the guys, for me, I like the guys better with the glasses, but they're just, you know, okay. When I say okay, like, you know, attractiveness. I know one other girl thought they were so cute, and another girl thought it was ugly, so I'm just like, whatever. But I wanted them because you don't have too many, especially a black male, stamps that you can find. A couple digital ones online. You can get some digital ones, but not actual stamps. So this is Walt. He's with the glasses. So I wanted to get them. Now, one of the things I've noticed that when I looked at it in detail, the ones with the glasses are a little bit older because they have a little bit of wrinkles around their eyes. And if you notice, they color their hair a little bit with a little salt in it. So the other ones that you'll see, they don't have the glasses on it, which, let me find him. Okay. So they look just alike, really. But he doesn't have any wrinkles by his eyes, so I'm assuming he's a younger version of him. So I got both of them. I know it's probably redundant, but I did just because to get some diversity, because you don't have that many male stamps, and I thought, and actually you can color his skin lighter because he's got wavy hair. He doesn't have like an afro, so you could actually color him different skin tones as well. But I got him because he had the glasses on one, and then without it, just to give a different appearance, because you don't find male stamps. And speaking of which, the same thing right here. I know some people are into bald heads. Yeah, he's got to look really good with a bald head for me to like a bald head. Not that there's anything wrong with the bald head, but only certain men to me can rock a bald head. And yeah, I just made me think of some jokes that my friend was saying, but I just anyway. So this is Tay with the glasses and without the glasses, and again, he has slightly more bags under his eyes, just like a little bit more wrinkles. You have to look at it really close, but they're really the same person. But I'm going to pretend like that one, like his, you know, his eyebrow has got a little wrinkle there too. I'm going to pretend like this is the older one and that's the younger one. So that's my justification for getting it. But you know, he does have the wrinkle right above his eyebrow there, and he doesn't have it on this one. So just subtle differences between the two, other than just the glasses. But for the most part, it's really just the glasses. But I thought, again, I would get both of those just to expand, because some of these stamps get expired and they disappear, and I wanted to get them while I could. So speaking of that, there's another guy. He's a younger one, and this is Malik. Yep. And again, he looks a lot younger than both of those, so I thought I'd get him too. So that's another guy. He doesn't come with glasses. So I was excited to get these 5 guys. I mean, like, really, that just like never happens. So we all placed our order a couple of weeks ago, and again, I'm just getting my video. My video might be a month up by the time I get it up, to be honest. I don't know. Sorry about that, but anyway, they weren't on sale, so this is the regular price, so you're not missing anything by that if you go check them out. This is Michaela. I love the bun, and I like over the shoulder look, so I thought this was a nice one as well. I like this one. This is Candace, and I love how Tanya from Memory Lane Keepsakes, she did such a pretty one the way she colored it up and put the little bling on the earrings and gave her a little dress and stuff. She did such a really nice job on that one. I was like, oh, gotta get Candace, because Tanya colored it up so pretty with her distressed outside. So I got Candace. And then I have Shaniqua and my girl Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy. She did a nice iCad with this one that I thought was really pretty as well. So I got that one because she's got her little scarf on, you know, just doing a different thing. And that could be any women with any ethnicity, because she's got a scarf on. You can't necessarily, you can color any other way on that one. So that's another universal stamp. Now Sally, I'm assuming that's how you say her name. I was on the fence about this one, but I love the hairstyle and I thought it was cute. But then I thought it was kind of different because she's pulling it up. Her shirt, you know, she could be saying different things or thinking different thoughts. So I thought it would be a different stamp, different expression. So I got her as well. And then we have Joan, and I like Joan. I love her hair like that, the curls coming out in the front. I thought she's cute as well. Got her headband on. And then I love this one. I've seen a couple of people, Tanya and I think Faye had this one too, sent me stuff with this before, and I love this one with Jayla. So I'm looking forward to coloring her. She had been in my cart for over a year, and I just was waiting, and I just never hit. Actually, several of these was in my cart for over a year ago, but we were talking, and I said we had some plans for what we're doing in September. So that's why I went on and got my stamps. So I'm excited to get her. And then this one is, excuse me, Nala. And again, she, to me, you can paint her several different skin tones because of her hair and because of her look. She can go for multiple ethnicities as well. And I like the fact that she has a necklace on, because none of the other girls had one on, so I thought it was really nice too. Just like with Laura, I love the fact that she had on a shirt. And then we have right here, we have Jacqueline, the same thing. I love the over-the-shoulder look, and I love her hair, and I love that one that she can do multiple things with her as well. And this, of course, made me think of Audrey Hepburn. She was $6.90, and you know what? Did they charge me $7.90 for her? Oh no, they charged me $6.90. Okay, but that's what it made me think of. And again, same thing with her. You can color her multiple different skin tones as well. So again, another universal stamp. And then we have Sarah, the same thing there as well with her. And again, that hairstyle is universal. And so I thought that was another one. And these are good. These are all nice sizes. I didn't show you the sizes. I'm sorry. So most of these, you can see the size of those. I didn't show you those, sorry. So most of these are 2.5 by 3 inches, according to what I read. Oh, and then our last one, and this one is Joy, and I love her hair. I love it. So, yeah. I have long hair, so it just made me think about that, and I thought it would be really cool. So anyway, that is my wonderful collection. I'm excited to play with these. So you'll be seeing a lot of these in September. So anyway, well, I don't even know when this video will be out, but you'll see me using a lot of these in September. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And go check out Rubbernecker's. They have all types of stamps, every category, seasonal. I just can't even think all the categories that you have stamps in. Sentiments, and they got wonderful sentiments. Scenes, animals, towns, background stamps. So they have a diversity of stamps. I mean, lots of categories. So go check them out. I ain't get paid for that. This is just my opinion. I just like these. So anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take